meet the employees of Montazhspetsstroy. While you are watching this film, they are carrying on designing new projects, binding reinforcements, pouring concrete, erecting steel and reinforced concrete structures and HVAC systems, controlling the commissioning processes, compiling all required documentation, and delivering it to the clients. Every hour of their work creates real value. All procedures are planned out in detail, with their results being carefully monitored and recorded. As of today, the total man-hours exceeds 49 million. This figure can be witnessed here in the territory of Western Kazakhstan, where the construction of new projects is underway and already commissioned projects are successfully being operated. For such companies as Karachaganak Petroleum Operating, Ajip-KCO, Jaik Munai, Kazchrom, Tengi Chevroil, Maersk Oil Kazakhstan, NCOC, and many others, the partnership with MSS guaranteed the achievement of their goals, bringing their projects to fruition in the country's biggest oil fields at the highest level of quality and within the stated deadlines. So, why have the industry leaders been choosing Montazhspetsstroy for more than 20 years? On December 13, 1993, the Supreme Court of the Republic of Kazakhstan passed a resolution about inclusion in the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons. And a year later, the JSC company, Montazhspetsstroy, which was created under the auspices of the trusts of the former Kazakh SSR Ministry of Building and Special Construction Works, within the framework of the American Nunn-Lugar program, started dismantling the intercontinental ballistic missile silo launchers located near the settlement of Dzержавинка. It was during this period that the company began establishing direct contacts with overseas investors. As a result, MSS was invited to take part in a number of tenders for the construction of a condensate processing facility, as well as for the installation of the Integrated Gas Treatment Complex Unit 2 of the Karachaganak field, and was awarded 5 contracts for implementing the program as both a part of the consortia with foreign firms and on the basis of direct contracts. The total cost of the works exceeded $78 million. Thus, the path of development, as well as the way to new heights in business activity, was chosen. Later, the first subcontracts with foreign companies were signed, which were instrumental in MSS's familiarization with international standards of operation, maintaining continual relations with 40 global suppliers of construction machinery, equipment, and materials, and in gaining experience in collaborating with foreign specialists. Today, Montazhspetsstroy is certified in accordance with international standards and fully complies with modern requirements for the quality of civil and structural works, occupational health and safety standards, and is actively developing the management of construction operations. Today, a respectful attitude, reliable partnership, guaranteed quality, and meeting of deadlines have become the trademark of the biggest construction company of Kazakhstan, Montazhspetsstroy. The company's representative offices in 4 key locations allow the company to mobilize its business activity in the shortest time possible, with all special machinery available for any works necessary to be performed. Montazhspetsstroy provides services in accordance with Class 1 construction licenses and ensures rigorous compliance with safety standards on its sites, a fact which has been repeatedly confirmed by certificates from partners and clients for man-hours attained without the loss of working time. The company operates in accordance with the authority of the Ministry of Environmental Protection, which is issued on the basis of environmental expertise of the maximum permissible emissions of construction facilities. Montazhspetsstroy JSC directs its personnel under an environmental management system and is responsible for the waste management process from its formation to its removal from the facilities and to its final disposal in accordance with the laws of the Republic of Kazakhstan. In the course of its operations, the company takes into account all requirements of the RK Environmental Code for all types of waste resulting from the activities of all of the contracting companies that are subject to mandatory accounting. At the present moment, the company has 24 large-scale projects in its portfolio, including 8 in consortia with foreign corporations. There are 8 EPCC contracts in Montazhspetsstroy's portfolio, with projects commissioned on a turnkey basis being in full compliance with the client's requirements. One more indisputable advantage of MSS is its ability to find unique solutions to tasks that sometimes have no equivalents in Kazakhstan. While building a tank farm for mcc.kz, the company used what was at that time a new technology, the automatic welding of horizontal joint welds using an automatic two-sided welding assembly for circumferential automatic girth welding. Manufactured by the Lincoln Welding Machine Firm, the automatic submerged arc welding of the bottom plates of crude oil storage tanks was performed with the use of welding tractors from the firm of ESAB, which at that time was the first experience of this kind in Kazakhstan. In order to achieve this, it was first necessary to obtain the required equipment, develop the necessary technology, confirm the quality of essential mechanical tests, approve the client's welding procedure, and conduct training for specialists. As a result, the welding work took less time and there were fewer welding seam defects. Currently, an automatic welder was introduced for the welding of horizontal joints in an atmosphere of protective gases on a project for the construction of 3 firefighting and technical water tanks at the order of Tengiz Chevroil by using devices made by the Cowweld Company, which significantly increased the work output while decreasing the impact of the human factor. Achieving such results would have been impossible without the planned development of construction project management in accordance with the requirements of international standards. The company Montazhspetsstroy treasures its reputation, resources, and its clients' time. Hence, the initial implementation at all stages of state-of-the-art technologies for control and management, such as the world-renowned automation programs of Promise and Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. Over the course of years of collaborating with foreign partners, MSS has acquired extensive experience in the compiling of handover documentation for completed work, in accordance with both the regulatory framework of the Republic of Kazakhstan and international standards for the execution of all required handover project documentation. Choosing Montazhspetsstroy, a client is choosing a cutting-edge civil engineering company, which means an individual approach to each client, management of the construction process based on innovative international experience, seamless interaction between all organizational divisions, utilizing of potential capabilities, accumulated knowledge, and experience. Construction licenses of the first category, a continuously qualified staff, and a depot of special purpose equipment. This is the best of technology, specialists, solutions, and standard operating procedures. Montazhspetsstroy is noted for a respectful attitude, reliable partnership, guaranteed quality, and meeting all construction deadlines.